Hey everyone, it's Mr. Jimenez, and today I'm going to be talking about how to annotate your work for this assignment that's due on Friday. As you can see, I made the document into a Google Doc that you can edit, so you can actually, type on here or whatever. I wouldn't do that, but I'll explain how to do this in just a moment. However, before you watching this video, make sure you watch the other supplementary videos, the one on fake news and the one on notice and note. Of course, you could find this document in the days 1 through 5 LDS lessons. It should say annotation, notice and note, and the videos you'll be able to find in the same folder under the secondary folder inside marked videos/slides, where the slides from yesterday are located, and these videos will all be there. Okay, so remembering with notice and note, we're looking at numbers and statistics or stats, so that whenever you come across numbers or statistics, and of course these numbers could be numbers like you see right here. There are a few numbers already jumping out at us, but there could also be certain quantities such as more, less, a quarter, half, etc. And the video talks about that. You're going to want to make note of that, and then in the margin you're going to be writing an N/S standing for numbers and stats, and then you're going to answer the question, why did the author use these numbers? So let me read real quick the first paragraph here, and then we're going to do some of this together. Okay, so here we go. Stanford, California. Advertisement or news article? Think tank or lobbying group? Verified Facebook page or fake account? Students from middle school to high school are social media savvy nowadays, yet they are easily fooled by biased sources, ads that resemble news articles, and even fake social media pages, a study by the Stanford History Education Group showed. The study, released in November, was conducted by the Stanford History Education Group. From January 2015 to June 2016, researchers asked students in 12 states to complete 56 tasks. These tasks measured the students' ability to judge the trustworthiness of online information. Okay, let's go ahead and stop there. All right, so right away, we could see several numbers here. We have a few dates here, 2015, 2016, and we got 12 and 56. Ordinarily, we would underline these, but for this particular assignment, we're going to highlight them since we are using Google Docs. So how do you highlight them? Well, your highlight tool is right here. And eventually we're going to comment and write add comment. That's right here. We'll go over that in a second. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight all the numbers here. Like so. Then I'm going to go up to the tool here. And for this assignment, I want you to use the light blue 3. Let's try that again. Light blue 3. Light blue 3. And light blue 3. Okay, so now all the numbers are highlighted. Now we have to ask the question, why did the author use these numbers in the text? So I'm going to actually highlight here the date. Then I'm going to come up to the comment section, hit comment, and then you'll notice something on the side will open up. Notice it has my name there, and I'm going to write N/S. So why would they mention these dates? Well, I think the dates give us the idea of how long the study took. So the study was from January 2015 to June 2016, so it was about a year and a half. So I can deduce then that the author, and spell author correctly, the author wants us to know how long the study took. That way, we know that it was thorough, meaning that we can kind of trust that if they took a year and a half to do this, they really took their time. Maybe that's a better way of saying it. It's nice having be able to just erase it. That way, comma, we know they took their time gathering this information. I like that better. Okay. So then after you get your comment and you're satisfied with that, hit comment. And notice, where'd it go? Where'd it go? Well, it's over here somewhere. If I reduce the thing, I'll show you in a minute. But actually, I can show you right now. If I drop it down to 100% like usual, you'll see it's right there. Okay. So then now we have also this one right here. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to highlight it. And we're going to go to the comment. Actually, 1 second. I want to make sure I have that tasks in there. And we hit comment again. And again, we're going to do n/s. So the author again wants us to know what? So 12 states tells me that they didn't just cover one area, but they seem to have sprinkled it throughout the country. And 56 tasks tell me that they didn't just give them one thing to do, they gave them several things. So then they must have done a very good job of establishing what they want to know. So I'm going to say the author wants us to know that the test had a large sampling of Americans and multiple tasks in order to determine how students understand news or fake news. I got my spelling up there. Not to worry. Right click. Thank you. And there you go. And then comment again. And there you have it. So you have like these little like tan things. The reason I wanted you to do the light blue is that at some point you're going to be annotating the same article again for a different notice and note. So I wanted to create a distinction. Okay, that's all for now. Hopefully this was helpful. If you have any questions, please come as a group to office hours or just give me a message on Schoology. All right, take care. Stay safe. Excelsior!